Hi guys, it's Chatty Bunny's Club, and now we're doing a switch. So this time I'm going to be talking, and my dad's going to be doing the challenge. So today we're at the gym. I just came back from swimming practice, that's the pool. And now we're doing a challenge. My dad is going to eat spicy sauce with a chip. He's going to dip it in. Daddy, are you ready? He said he's ready. Tell them you're ready. He's ready? My dad's so ready. So, are you guys ready?
Turn the camera around. Can't?
Go.
Okay.
Go, guys.
Sausage
Put
chip
a lot.
challenge.
And if he doesn't like it, then I had to pour the salsa on his head.
Jeez. Okay, here you go. Mmm. Mmm.
Do you like it?
Pretty good.
He doesn't like it. I don't think he likes it. No, we don't like it.
End the video.
Alright, bye guys. I hope you like this channel.